Fishy ground, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, run up complete.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, roger. And what was your VFR directional flight again? I'm sorry, I forgot.
Sorry, north, please.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, roger. Continue taxiing runway 3 left, monitor tower, good day.
Taxi down 3 left and monitor tower 6 Romeo Delta, thank you.
November 66 Romeo Delta, P3 Tower, fly straight out, cleared for takeoff. Traffic 4 north of the airport, inbound is the Cessna entering the left island.
66 Romeo Delta, clear for takeoff, will fly straight for now. Right, was that for 81 Delta?
I'm sorry, 81 Delta, affirmative, enter right down, runway 3 right, clear to land number 1.
Right downwind, runway 3 right, clear to land number 1, 381 Delta. Fishy Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta.
66 Romeo Delta, P3 Grand, or P3 Tower.
Just wondering if we can turn to the north now.
I'm sorry, 6 Romeo Delta, from a left turn to the north approved, frequency change approved.
Thank you, C2. Pickens County traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, about 10 miles to the south inbound Pickens County.
Pickens County Airport. Automated weather observation 1713. Zulu weather wind 350 at 11 gust 17 visibility.
Yeah, 45 right back, you'll be making a left-hand turn out today.
1000 temperature 4 Celsius. Dew point -3. Altimeter 3028.
Pickens County traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, about 8 miles to the south inbound Pickens County.
Gust 17 visibility.
Pickens County traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, about 3 miles to the south. We'll do a straight in for runway 34, Pickens County. Pickens County traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, on short final from 34.
Traffic not available.
Pickens County traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, clear runway 34. Pickens County traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, departing runway 34, Pickens County.
Grumman out of Pickens. Which way are you departing, sir?
66 Romeo Delta, we'll be departing to the south. We're going to turn left downwind on 34 and south.
Copy that. 23-2 is about 3.5 miles to the south-southeast of the field. We're going to transition over the field at 3,500 Pickens. And we got you inside, Grumman.
6 Romeo Delta.
Number 8379 Romeo Travis departing off numbers 16 helicopter northwest bound towards King and Queen.
Charlie Tango has the traffic in sight.
Charlie Tango, thank you.
Correction, 4 Kilo Charlie has the traffic in sight, sorry.
Right.
Tower 891 Tango Alpha.
891 Tango Alpha, please traffic.
Yeah, we're 10 in the northeast with Delta full time.
891 Tango Alpha, continue mount right downwind for expect 3 left.
Right downwind, 3 left, 1 left.
Petrie Tower formation Echo 1753 Zulu, wind 300 at 9er, visibility 9er. Skies clear below 12,000, temperature 8, dew point -3, altimeter 3024. Visual approach in use lane, departing runway 3 right and runway 3 left. This is Chairman, taxiway Charlie, between the parallel runways closed. Bringing 1.7 nautical miles northeast of the airport at 1231 MSL. Bringing 1 nautical mile north-northwest of the airport at 1140 MSL. Additional crane 1 nautical mile north-northwest of the airport at 1068 MSL. Use caution, birds in the vicinity of the airport. IFR clearances are available on ground control frequency 121.6. Read back all runway hold short instructions. Advise ground control of IFR or VFR and ready for taxi. Advise on initial contact, you have information, Echo.
Peachtree Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, we're turning to the north, is information Echo.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Tower, continue inbound report 6 miles out.
46 miles out, 6 Romeo Delta.
Wind check, please.
Winds 300 at 11, gust 16. November 66 Romeo Delta, enter left downwind for runway 3 left.
Left downwind for runway 3 left, 6 Romeo Delta.
Wind 270 at 11, gust 18.
Left close traffic, 3 left clear for takeoff, 778 for golf.
November 66 Romeo Delta, runway 3 left, clear to land.
3 left, clear to land, 6 Romeo Delta.
I'm ready now, 1 Tango Alpha, where are you parking?
We're going on north. Tower 194 Kilo Charlie, numbers 16, transition to signature north, please.
194 Kilo Charlie, you reposition.
Tower Sky Hawk 37 Sierra Alpha, ready at Alpha 3 left.
66 Romeo Delta, where are you parking?
66 Romeo Delta, going to the north ramp.
So you can make the left at Delta, continue on to Delta, contact ground.
Left at Delta, continue on Delta, contact ground, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree contact to north ramp via Delta.
North ramp via Delta, 6 Romeo Delta, thank you.